Hello friends! In this video, I'm going to review the top 5 best electric racing go-karts just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best electric racing go-karts to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I've compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started.
Product number 1. 2000-watt electric go-kart. Experience 2000-watt electric go-kart for adults. Powerful off-road performance. This electric go-kart boasts a robust 2000-watt motor, delivering thrilling speeds of 12 to 25 miles per hour across 3 adjustable modes. Extended ride time. The 1AA battery ensures 12+ miles per charge, charger included, making it perfect for youth and adult riders seeking long-lasting outdoor fun. Product number 1. 2000-watt electric go-kart. The 2000-watt electric go-kart brings an impressive mix of power and stability to the racing track. Equipped with a 2000-watt brushless motor, it delivers fast acceleration, smooth torque, and a top speed suited for young riders and adults alike. The sturdy steel frame enhances durability, while wide pneumatic tires provide reliable grip on pavement, gravel, and compact dirt tracks. This model typically includes adjustable seating, making it comfortable for varying heights, and a reinforced steering system for precise control. Safety is also a highlight. Its disc brakes respond quickly, and many versions include a speed governor for beginners. The battery setup offers respectable runtime, usually between 40 to 60 minutes depending on usage. Product number 3. Kaba 24V Electric Go-Kart. Experience Kaba 24V Electric Go-Kart for kids. Drifting power. Dual 24V motors and 2 7Ah batteries drive this electric go-kart at adjustable 3.7 to 8.1 miles per hour speeds. With the press of a start button, kids feel thrilling pushback and pro drifting action, just like real racers. Pro drifting tires. Equipped with high elastic PU front wheels for grip and steering control, plus nylon-banded rear drift tires, this drift kart lets kids master smooth tail slides with ease for pure drifting excitement. Product number 4. Coleman Powersports GK200 196cc Gas. Experience Coleman Powersports GK200 196cc gas-powered dual-seat go-kart. Powerful 196cc engine. The Coleman GK200 features a robust 196cc gas-powered engine perfect for off-road adventures. Delivers exceptional power and performance. 196cc engine ensures a smooth and responsive ride. Dual-seat design. Gas-powered go-kart features 2 comfortable seats, each equipped with a safety harness. Dual-seat design allows you to share the excitement of off-road exploration. Ideal choice for families and friends. Product number 5. ASIM 12V Electric Go-Kart. Experience ASIM 12V Electric Go-Kart. Unleash the thrill. Experience exciting sideways action with the electric drift kart strip feature. 2 adjustable speeds, 1.9 to 5 miles per hour, let kids ride at their own pace, while the slow start function provides smooth and safe acceleration every time. A feast for the senses. Your child will be immersed in the joy of riding with the vibrant lights and groovy music playing on our drift go-kart.